हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। और एक और एपिसोड में मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। ये है HTC ग्लैड रैग्स मिसेस इंडिया 2015, अ टीवी रियलिटी शो ड्रिवन बाय टाटा बोल्ट। तो आज का ये दिन, ये एपिसोड कुछ खास है क्योंकि हमारी ग्लैड रैग्स मिसेस इंडिया की सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स पहुंच गई हैं यहाँ मुंबई में, और इनफैक्ट कुछ ही पल में बस यहाँ आने ही वाली हैं और जल्द होगी आपसे मुलाकात। सो आर यू ऑल एक्साइटेड? तो ये वही अपार्टमेंट्स हैं जहां हमारी ग्लैड रैग्स मिसेस इंडिया की सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स रहने वाली हैं। अ 7 स्टार स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट लग्जरी और स्टाइल से भरे अपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ बॉम्बे रियल्टी, इन्हें बनाया है वाडिया ग्रुप ने। तो चलिए फिर मैं लेकर चलती हूँ आपको इस खूबसूरत घर के एक छोटे से टूर पे। तो हम आ तो गए हैं लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर, जहां रहने वाली है ग्लैड रैग्स मिसेस इंडिया की सारी कंटेस्टेंट्स। पर उसी के साथ साथ मैं बैठी हूं उसी जगह जहां कंटेस्टेंट्स को मिलेगी इस पैजेंट की सारी अपडेट्स ऑन देयर HTC मोबाइल फोन्स। तो HTC वालों ने तो बिल्कुल कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है इस पैजेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और एक्साइटिंग बनाने की। उन्होंने बनाया है मोबाइल फोन पे एक मैसेजिंग ग्रुप जहां कंटेस्टेंट्स को मिलेगी दिन भर की सारी अपडेट्स, जैसे क्या एक्टिविटी प्लान्ड है, क्या टास्क होने वाला है, या सिंपली उसका रिजल्ट क्या है।
कितना सुंदर घर है, शांडिलियर देखो। We couldn't have gotten a better accommodation.
I'm looking forward for it. Look at the color combinations; they are just so amazing.
को तो सही कितना प्यारा रूम है। It's so beautiful. ये मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है मैं सपना ही देख रही हूँ यार अभी भी। मैं तो सो जाऊँ अभी। I know, we'll have fun, right?
But this feels like home actually.
I want that side.
Excuse me. This is so comfortable and soft.
Beautiful, yaar. I'm so tired. I just want to relax.
Very nice. And my favorite Bombay dyeing furnishings, huh?
क्विकली हमारे दर्शकों को बता दीजिए अपने स्टे के बारे में यहाँ।
Oh wow, every wall, every ceiling is so beautifully done up.
It is such a luxurious apartment and I just love the classy decor.
Very, very elegant, very comfortable.
तो अब वो घड़ी आ गई है जिसका आपको, मुझको और हमसे भी कई ज्यादा ग्लैड रैग्स मिसेस इंडिया की सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स को इंतजार था। सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स आज मिलने वाली हैं फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम एक बहुत ही जाने मानी शख्सियत से, जिन्होंने लॉन्च करा है इंडिया के पहले यूनिसेक्स पैजेंट मेगा मॉडल एंड मैनहंट के साथ साथ इकलौता ऐसा पैजेंट भी जो कि सिर्फ शादीशुदा औरतों के लिए है। इन्होंने लॉन्च करी है एक टॉप मैगजीन ग्लैड रैग्स, एक लाइफस्टाइल मैगजीन, और आज के कई बड़े चेहरों की सफलता में इनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ भी रहा है। सो आई एम श्योर बाय नाउ आप जानते हैं मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ। शी इज नन अदर देन मिसेस मॉरीन वाडिया।
My God, she's such a huge personality.
Oh, I'm pretty scared. You know, whenever I've seen the videos, I think she's a very strict teacher.
Trying not to be nervous because I really want to meet her.
I would watch each and every manhunt and everything, and I would just try to imitate ma'am and how she stands and whatever.
I've always looked up to Mrs. Wadia. जब से मैं छोटी भी थी और ग्लैड रैग्स को देखती थी, I've always been a fan of hers.
Welcome to the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt. Well, you've been watching auditions and you've been laying bets on who are the girls who are going to make it into the finals of the Glad Rags Mrs. India pageant. Well, you don't have to wait anymore because in a few seconds I am going to welcome them for the first time in Mumbai to my career academy, where they've never been trained like this. And when you see them at the end or halfway through this series, you're going to say a double wow. Most of these girls are from all over India, A lot of them are from Mumbai. In addition, we have some from overseas. And now, let's take a look at who are the lucky 18 women who made it into the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India TV series. Good evening, ladies.
Good evening, ma'am.
Well, here you are in the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India. Each of you have been given a number, and for this reality series, these are the numbers you will retain at all times. As you know, rejection is something you've got to deal with when you get into a reality show. Welcome to all of you. And by the way, I'm Maureen Wadia.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Very far from Chandigarh.
Yes, ma'am. My first time in Bombay, though.
First time?
Yes, ma'am.
You have never visited this beautiful city called Amchi, Mumbai?
Never, ma'am. This is my first time.
So, you know, there are very few platforms for married women.
Correct.
Because people believe that once you're married,
Yes.
you can't be a beauty queen.
Yeah.
So this pageant is to prove that wrong.
Yeah.
You've come in all the way from Dubai.
Yes, ma'am. I have a 3.5-year-old baby. So since that time, I have never got a break. So I'm expecting for a good change in my life, which I have always dreamed of.
My name is Nishtha Gupta. I'm from New York, USA, and I'm here to start a new journey of achievements again.
So I hope you adjust. I hope you have a good stay. Prepare, because the worst is yet to come.
I would like to thank you, ma'am, for everything till now. It has been amazing experience, and I think I'm prepared for what comes next.
How many years have you been married?
I'm married for 21 long years.
Okay. So you are what we call a veteran wife.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't look as if you've been married for 21 years.
That's because of my husband, because he makes me look younger.
I wish we could all say that about our husbands.
Yes. I've got a 15-year-old son who's giving his boards now.
So you are a true Glad Rags Mrs. India, because 2 decades and 1 year is not an easy number in anyone's life, and that you've made it so far. Congratulations to you.
Thank
and all
you, ma'am.
happiness for the next 100 years.
Thank you so much.
Deepa, how has your arrival in Mumbai been? Okay?
It's very beautiful, ma'am. It's very beautiful city. इतनी खूबसूरत दुनिया में आने का आपने मौका दिया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, मैम.
I'm Keshika from Varanasi, and I'm now representing Mumbai. That's Maniatis city.
Okay. All the way from the holy city.
Yes, one of the oldest living city in the world.
Absolutely. And I hope you're going to help in the cleaning of the Ganga.
Oh, absolutely, ma'am. And in fact, as part of my project in office, I'm part of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan for Varanasi to bring in smart sanitation technologies.
You've got a little child at home?
Yes, ma'am. A 1-year-old and a 5-year-old.
So how difficult is it being away from your 1-year-old?
Away from the kids, that's what is bothering me, but I'm sure I'm going to get used to it.
I'm sure it is, because 1 year is a very tender age.
Yes,
and I'm sure she must be saying, Mama, Mama.
And my husband is the one who's saying yes to her now. He's become both the mama and the papa for her.
आपके बारे में बताइए.
आई एम अ फार्मर्स डॉटर एक्चुअली, बट बचपन से ही मेरा सपना मॉडल बनने का था, लेकिन कुछ ऑफर्स ठीक नहीं आने से मैं इसमें कुछ कर नहीं पाई. तो शादी के बाद भी मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद कुछ हो नहीं पाएगा, बट जैसे ये ग्लैड रैग्स का मैंने देखा कि हाँ इसमें कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो मेरे हस्बैंड ने भी मुझे काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया और मैं यहाँ तक पहुँची. और सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि मैं एक स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सनैलिटी और ब्यूटीफुल वुमन के सामने खड़ी हूँ. मेरे लिए ये सपने से कम नहीं है. It's really.
I've been divorced for the last 3 years. I was married for 9 years, but I've been divorced for the last 3 years. And I was very skeptical about being able to compete in this competition. But I'm very grateful to you that I have been given the opportunity.
The Glad Rags Mrs. India is something which is an equalizer, because I believe that whether you're divorced or separated, you should have an equal chance at this. So I am sorry that you are separated, but if it's 3 years, I'm sure you are in a celebratory mood. Tell me, are you on good terms with everybody?
Absolutely, ma'am. I have been divorced for 3 years, but we are on very good terms. My ex-husband and I keep in touch. I'm also in touch with his new wife and his new baby who was born on the 31st of January this year.
Who got you to enter this pageant?
My husband insisted me to enter this. In fact, my mother was also so keen because she wanted to be Mrs. India, which because of our background, conservative background, she could not. So she wanted me here.
Well, you got a chance, but she didn't. But sadly,
I'm living her dreams.
Well, I'm glad, and I wish you good luck.
Yes, ma'am.
As you know, there's a lot of hard work ahead.
Yes,
But,
ma'am. As they say, Mumbai is the city of dreams. My dream has already come true standing in front of you. And I hope it's much more to come more.
So you managed to get leave on your husband's advice?
Yes, ma'am. He was behind me. No, you should give it a shot.
Swati, arranged marriage or
It will
love?
come to you as a surprise, but shadi.com.
Shadi.com?
Yes.
Extremely progressive.
Yes.
When I was a teenager, modeling was my passion and medicine was my love. So love is something that I'm already pursuing, but I don't feel the passion here, so let me go have an experience. And he helped me with it.
I'm so glad, because your passion is definitely going to come out in the next 1 month in this scenario where you're going, all your buttons are going to be pressed.
Yes, ma'am, this is a new experience. I'd never applied lipstick 3 times in a day.
Good evening. All the way from Melbourne, Australia.
Yes.
And it's wonderful to have somebody from that distance who's participating in this pageant.
Thank you.
You've been married and you are...
I'm going through a rough phase in my life right now. But I've learned to live for my own dreams, desires and passion. And I think life is beautiful. I'm looking forward to the journey ahead.
An absolute overwhelming feeling to be standing here in the top 18 and to be standing in front of you, ma'am. It's a pleasure.
Great to have you here, Shamal, and I'm so glad that the last time I saw you, you had put on a lot of weight.
Yes, ma'am.
And I was happy when I saw you at the auditions. Obviously, you have worked very hard at it. Everything tasty goes straight to our lips. Unfortunately, everything tasty remains on our hips.
Yes.
Good evening, ladies.
Good evening, ma'am.
Welcome to the Glad Drags Career Academy. It's great to have you with us, and I know it's been quite a struggle to come to this position, but now that you're here, you can heave a sigh of relief because one of you will run away with the coveted crown. And it gives me great pleasure to train you because among all of you, you're all winners. But today, I welcome you to the Glad Drags Career Academy and a training which you shan't forget. So welcome. Thank you for being here with us. And this is your endorsement for being in this show. And that's for you. Welcome. Thank you. Welcome. And welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
You're going to have a tough time here, but I'm sure you're going to manage. Welcome. And that's for you.
Thank you.
And that's for you. Thank you. Good to have you here. Welcome. Nice to have you here. Thank you, ladies. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
ma'am. She's so gentle and so loving. It is like amazing to meet her.
Previously, I love meeting strong women. I really admire them. Maureen Wadia is one of the women I admire a lot.
She's the epitome of grace.
She definitely.
And उनसे तो जितना भी आप सीखो कम है.
Truly, I was really scared in the beginning, but after meeting her, I feel she's a true diva. She's so dynamic and, you know, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलके. वो इतनी down to earth है. I mean, you just can't even imagine.
Ma'am was giving some instructions and I've not yet met her personally, but I was just seeing her. and there was a bit of a glitch, and so then she starts like, and I love the way she did it. So, you might be the Queen of England, but when I've told you something, just do it, nah? And the nah was like, I said, if I can ever do someone nakhra in the nah, oh God.
आप देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality show driven by Tata Bolt. बस वक्त है अब छोटे से ब्रेक का, हम जल्दी वापस आएंगे।
Glad Rags Mrs. India.
एक बार फिर आप सबका स्वागत है टू HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality series driven by Tata Bolt.
Welcome to an episode on lifestyle. I'm Maureen Wadia, and it gives me pleasure to welcome you to the HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India reality series. Today, it's all about lifestyle. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, but today, a home is where she can show off her diamonds best. Every model loves to be in front of a camera. However, you need to know when you do a shot, what kind of a shot are you doing? Are you doing just a face shot? Are you doing a half shot? Or are they doing a horizontal? Now, if you are in Western clothes, you are totally a different type of model. If you are in ethnic wear, you are a totally different type of model. Because ethnic wear, it's very feminine. Casual wear, Western clothes, a lot easier. This is something to demonstrate to you how when you take a pose, you have different levels of posing. So if you want to change your pose, break the angle, this is how you do it. You can put your foot up on this. If you take your leg higher, you have to be very careful that your trousers or whatever you're wearing could take it. So either you go into a pose like that, but this is a guy's pose. It's not for a girl. You can sit like this if the shot calls for it, but you would need to put your one leg up in order to make this look feminine. So break the pose, take a pose this way. Now you can go that way, or you can go this way. You can lean back, or you can lean forward, or you could put both hands together. And that is a brief lesson in how to model.
आप देख रहे हैं HTC Glad Rags Mrs. India 2015, a TV reality show driven by Tata Bolt. बस वक्त है अब छोटे से ब्रेक का, हम जल्दी वापस आएंगे।
Glad Rags Mrs. India.